Well, good Monday morning, South Mississippi. Starting off today with some blue sky, a lot of sunshine, but you know what that means. It is heating up quickly. Jackson County getting slammed with a lot of this heavy rainfall right now going into Goshen, Pascagoula, Van Cleve. You're probably hearing some loud rumbles of thunder. We're seeing some lightning out there. All in all, storm surge and strong winds are going to be our biggest concerns with Zeta by the evening. So if you have to make any last minute preparations, do it now. Check this out. By tomorrow morning, we're dropping down into the low to mid 50s. And I went back and checked. We haven't been in the 50s in Gulfport since May 12th. The potential for higher storm surge looking a little lower, but even 3 to 5 feet of surge is pretty significant. I'm about a little bit over 5 feet tall, and that would be a ton of water to continue to rise up. Hopefully we don't see it get that high anywhere, but it is concerning that we do have a little bit of that flooding beginning to happen in those low-lying areas. If you had plans to maybe take a dip in the pool this afternoon, well, that might be in jeopardy. We will keep the chance for more hit or miss showers and thunderstorms, not only over the next few hours, but even into the later part of the afternoon. Over a span of about 50 miles, we went from basically no rain at all to close to 20 inches of rain. So keep this in mind. Had Sally moved a little bit farther west, we could have been dumped with tons of rain here in South Mississippi. We have two areas of rotation here, it looks like. Both of those in Jackson County at this point, and they are moving very quickly. So if you are in these red polygons or these red boxes, go ahead, stay away from windows, get into the lowest level of your home in an interior room. And if we stay in the warm sector, or to the south of this boundary, we're going to have some warmer air, some more instability for these storms to feed off of. If that's the case, we will have a higher chance of seeing some stronger thunderstorms. Now, a lot of this rain is caused by a cold front that is starting to push through, and it's really not going to be cooling us off much at all, but the good news is it's starting to push some of that humid air out of the way. So over the next several hours, be prepared for some heavy downpours as these rain bands continue to move in. That wind is going to be picking up, especially over the water as we head into tonight, and we may see some winds near 40 to 50 miles per hour. We are noticing a couple of clouds beginning to pop up, but it's going to be hard to get much rain today because we have a lot of dry air in place over us. You can see that on our water vapor imagery. And thanks to that dry air, we are looking at morning lows in the upper 60s in many locations. So tomorrow morning will be a great morning to maybe drink your coffee out on the front porch, go for a walk. It really doesn't get much better than this in the middle of June. Landfall at this time expected later this afternoon into southeast Louisiana, and it's going to quickly move over South Mississippi by the evening. So this is a look at the possible wind field with this system. As we head into Sunday afternoon, we could see those winds over 40 miles per hour, and notice that it is still expected to make landfall in Louisiana as a tropical storm, really not strengthening too much at all. We are actually just under the I-110 bridge, and you may be able to tell we've got a lot of water that has risen up over the past few hours. I would say it may be a couple of feet deep just looking out a little bit. As Zeta gets closer, the winds will begin to pick up even more, and as we get into the evening, noticing that we could see some gusts near 90 to 100 miles per hour. That's not out of the question, and if that does play out, we could easily get some power outages around here. And we are also noticing a bit more of that humidity today. You'll feel that as you step outside. Unfortunately, that low humidity that we had the past couple of days, oh, well, we have to wave goodbye to that. But another cold front is on the way, roughly around the Friday, Saturday time frame, and it looks like we will see another round of cool air settle in throughout much of the country. This is the visible satellite imagery from the past couple of hours, and as you can tell, Laura is looking very strong. We're starting to see that well-defined eye this morning. Along with that heat and humidity, we've got the chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms, and typical of our summer weather. Not everyone's going to see the rain today, and it's going to be fantastic for the first day of cruising the coast. We're looking at highs later this afternoon near 80. The humidity will stay low, and again, it will be mostly sunny throughout the day.